Hiya people, this is Khushi Zawar and you're welcome here. So this is around 7:30. We are in Sasan Gir right now. Last day we did all the Devaliya Safari, Gir National Park Safari and spotted a lot of lions, cheetahs and many more animals. So it was literally so much fun. If you want to see, go check it out. I'll link it here. And also, yeah, we'll be traveling to Dwarka. On the way, we are going to visit Soti Somnath and Junagadh. So it's going to be so much fun, tiring, and a very beautiful day. So keep watching. This is Soti Somnath, and we are heading to one of the 12 Jyotirling temples, that is Somnath Temple in India. And do you know this fun fact? Nobody knows that who built this temple. Also, this is one of the wealthiest temples in India. It has been theft multiple times but is still very rich. So this temple is located exactly beside the sea, which makes the view very spectacular. This is the footage I could get because photography or videography, nothing was allowed. But I should say that this temple is one of the most beautiful temples I've ever been to. So apart from the Somnath temple, there are many temples and different places you can visit here. We are going to this Triveni Sangam. It is considered to be very holy place in Hinduism.
हिरनिया, कपिला और सरस्वती 3 नदी का संगम होकर अरबी समुद्र में उसमें मिलता है.
So from here you can clearly see these two different colors. So after Triveni Sangam, we visited this temple which comprised of multiple gods and goddesses. Journey from Soti Somnath to Dwarka was the most scenic road in our entire tour. It was such a beautiful experience. Hi from Dwarka! So I'm very excited for this one because this is the first of the 4 dhams. Finally we have reached Dwarka. So we have come here from Gir. From Gir it is about 300 kilometers. So now it is around 5 o'clock. So first we'll go have a lunch. It was a pretty long day and visit a few more temples in Dwarka. Till then, maybe photography is not permitted here also, but I'll see what I can do for you guys. So from parking you need to take an auto rickshaw or walk for about 1 kilometer or so to reach there. This is the downtown. This is the base temple and not the main Dwarkadishji temple. After darshan you can Tuladan here. So to reach the temple you need to climb these steps from the base. It was a very beautiful and very old temple. Carbon dating says it was built 2000 years ago, but Bade Buzurg says it was built 5000 years ago. So our darshan was really nice. We came back to our hotel. Now we're moving out again because we are kind of bored. So we'll just go for a ride and be back. So good morning guys, this is day 2 in Dwarka. So last day we had visited Dwarkadish temple and today we'll go out to see Rukmani temple. It said that if you have done Dwarkadish temple and left Rukmani temple, your tirth is half remaining. So yeah, today we'll visit the Rukmani temple which is around 7 to 8 kilometers from here. We have arrived at Rukmani Mata Mandir. It is not as huge as Dwarkadish temple, but yeah, at least I can show you something like how temples are in this area. Like this is a very small piece and But yeah, it at least replicates the intricacies that were found in Dwarkadesh. So our journey in Dwarka has come to an end, and now we'll be heading to Ahmedabad from here. So post lunch, now we have stopped by Girnar mountain. Here there is a very huge and grand Jain temple. Actually you need to climb 8,000 steps to reach the temple, but if you don't want to do that, the other way is ropeway. What we are going to take actually. We just visited Ambaji temple.
रहे हम महावीर के ही बनकर ना श्वेतांबर ना दिगंबर, हम जैन हैं कर्म से जैन हैं, भोले के पुण्य किए गागर जन्मे जैन कुल के अंदर, हम जैन हैं कहो हम जैन हैं, कर्म से जैन हैं धर्म से जैन हैं, कर्म से जैन हैं धर्म से जैन हैं।
The song you just heard is sung by Divyani Karve Kothari over here, who is with me.
Hi.
ऐसा स्पीड में जा रहा है, ब्रेक लग रहा है तो स्पीड में आगे जा रहा है।
आधा डिस्टेंस तो कवर हो गया।